YouTube video do Ramogi TV. Wachako kod weche ma owuok e od kata e od bura mamalo maduong' mar piny Kenya. Jogo manyocha ne owal jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo omiyo mar tend migepe ne ochaki maliet e od bura. Musalia Mudavadi ma owal e lemo mar jotend migepe ne okwongo chopo nyim komiti mar od bura ma kapenjo maduong' ne en kabende lemo mare manowale opuodhi kod katiba. Aden Duale ma owal mondo omiyo obed jatend migao mar jolweny, Alfred Mutua ma ochung' e tudruok pinje maoko, Justin Muturi ma owal e lemo mar Attorney General kod Alice Wahome mar migao mar pi duto ne ochopo e nyim komiti no ka gin ema noketgi mondo mi gichopi odiechieng' mokwongo ka giduoko penjo mane idhiro negi gi jokanyo mag komiti no.
Mheshimiwa, through you, Mr. Chairman, talked about victimization of Kenyans through the cartels, and it is true. I have some tricks up my sleeve, and I don't want to speak about them publicly right now because, you know, these cartels will work on them. But I can assure you, within a few weeks, I'm dealing with these cartels, because I've been made to understand that some of them are even owned by government officials. And they're going to do everything because they're making tons and tons of money out of our people. And some of the things that we want to do is that it's a clear recording. If you're going to send our kids overseas for work, you need to have a record of who you are sending. You need clearance by the foreign ministry, not only by the labor ministry. And when they arrive in that other country, we'd like to get within 2 weeks to know which home, their domicile, and where they are working. If we don't get that list, then that organization will not be allowed to send any other person to that country ever again.
We must cultivate a culture of respecting institutions that have been provided for in the Constitution. It's a good nation. So my view is that I will not hesitate to encourage members of cabinet at all times to make sure that they respect the summons of Parliament.
I think given that we've had this constitution for the last 12 years or so, it is still work in progress. But we should not rush to change or try to fix it together. That time, as we have fully implemented everything under the Constitution itself. But I think it is possible for everybody the Honorable Kalibami, Mr. Chairman, was concerned about particularly not respecting the other arms of government, the judiciary and Parliament. But I want to say, well, sometimes it could be a matter of body chemistry. That maybe somebody felt that decisions were not